So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we'll be going over the Stihl RMA510V self-propelled battery-operated lawnmower. Your first step is you want to flip that handle up into the upright position and select a position that is most comfortable for the operator. So to flip the handle up, there's a total of 4 positions that we're going to have to adjust here. There's 2 knobs on the top center here that we can lock in. Simply lock in just by screwing in. These knobs won't come all the way out, so that is convenient for storage purposes. That way you don't have to figure out where you put the knobs the next season. There are a total of 3 different height positions we can select for this handle. You're going to go ahead and flip over this black handle lock into the most comfortable position for the operator. You want to make sure to be in the same slot on both sides and make sure that it's locked in secure and tight. This mower has a cutting height ranging from 1 inch all the way up to 3.9 inches with 8 different positions available to select. It's very simple to change the height by one simple knob on the side here. You pull it back and then select the height that you wish to cut in. 8 being the highest at 3.9 inches and 1 being the lowest at 1 inch. This mower is equipped with Eco Mode. I would use the Eco Mode whenever you have thinner or lighter grass and you have a smaller job to do to save the battery life. You'll also notice this red fuse. This is your safety switch or your safety key. Be sure to unplug that safety key whenever you're not going to use the mower to prevent any unwanted starting. This Stihl mower offers a total of 3 different options for when discharging of the grass. They offer a side discharge, a mulching option, or a bagging option. For the side discharge, you want to make sure that the mulching plug is installed in the back, and we'll get to that here in a minute. And you flip up this flap on the side and insert the side discharge chute, and then I'll make all the grass flow out the side here. If you want a bag or mulch, please make sure to lower this flap and flip that back over. If you're wanting to either mulch or bag, you want to flip up this back cover here, and inserted now currently is the mulch plug. So this is how the mulching setup would go. It'll keep all the grass inside of the deck to continue to cut it up finer and finer and put it back into your lawn. If you're wanting to bag, you want to remove this mulch kit. By removing the mulch kit, you push in these 2 inner tabs here on the handle and pull out. And you flip that handle back over and install the bags. You'll see these 2 clips. You want to put each hook on each side of that metal bar and flip the chute back over. Now all the grass will go into that bag. So now that you've selected both your height to cut and how you're going to disperse of the grass, you're ready to start the machine and start mowing. This top handle will be your self-propelled feature, where this bottom handle will engage the blades. Once you pull back the self-propelled handle, the mower will start moving. I will suggest to put the throttle lever into the lowest position possible so that it's comfortable as you start moving, and then you can increase speed as you go. To engage the mower blades, you'll have to push in this orange button, which is a safety switch, and then pull back this lever on the bottom. That turns the mower blades on and you're ready to start moving. For any questions or inquiries, please visit us at weingartz.com or feel free to stop by any one of our store locations. Thank you and have a great day.
Weingartz,